Hey everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to download Pinterest videos to your phone gallery. The first thing that you should do is to simply go and search for Pinterest on the Play Store, App Store, whatever you are using. And the process is going to be the same on your iPhone or on your iOS. I'm going to open it. Okay, let me search for a specific video. Let's say I will search for rain, for example. Rain videos, this video here, for example. Now, there is no actually a specific download button, but you can simply hit the save, or you can simply click on these three lines, these three dots, then click on copy link. And after that, you want to go and open your browser, then search for Pinterest, like so. Whatever browser that you're using, Pinterest video downloader, just like so. Then you want to paste the link just right here, as you can see. Then hit the download. And here you can simply click on download video. Now it's being downloaded. And don't worry, guys, this is not a risky website. I'm going to show you the exact way on how to do it, so do not worry. Of course, I'm not going to hack myself. And here we go, download completed. And here you have it. You have the video. I'm going to open it just like so. Gonna click on open. And here you have the video right here. The video frame. And that is it. I hope this video is useful to you all, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video. Please do not forget to support us with like and subscribe. And goodbye.